So market will be coming up, coming down, I mean. Then market hit a level. Market comes, it hit that level again. Market goes, it plays around there. What is happening here? What is happening here, as we have explained, right? You now know this is your support level. You now know this is your, what is happening? This is what? Your support level. So if that is your support level, you were not wrong to be buying there, right? And putting your stop loss below there, right? You bought there, and then you have to check how far you want to take your profit, right? So if you bought there, you were not wrong. You bought again there, you were not wrong. You bought again there, you were not wrong. But you need to understand that this support level cannot hold forever, right? Price, this is our figure 1, right? Price again in that level. Look at how many times price is testing this level. And in our patterns, I'll also let you know what is this kind of pattern forming here. You'll begin to notice it before you take any trade, right? When market is doing like this, if you are buying as a support and resistance, you are not wrong to be buying there, you are not wrong to be buying there, you are not wrong to be buying there. But you need to be careful also, because the support cannot hold forever. So when you look at what is happening here, right? Price can decide to do like this, whatever is happening there, and then price goes down like that. This is our figure 2, but from the same, what we call, from the same picture we drew there. So this is support area. Jesus. This is your support area. So look at how many times market is testing the area before, because this is a second thing what you see when market has moved. You are only in the present.
On this,
oh yes, these things. Oh yes.
And then the one on top. The one, if you put the one on top, when it reaches the water depth.
Oh yes, here, right? Oh, definitely, that's very good. That's very powerful. Because here, when it's hitting this level, that is our resistance. Thank you for that. That is very important. So when it reaches there, it reaches a resistant level. It goes down. It reaches a support. It goes up. It goes down. So what happens here, if you know what you're doing, you're trading support and resistance. You buy low, you take profit there on a resistance. Then when you wait, you see that this is a resistance. You sell there, you take profit on a support. You see market again is not breaking. You buy low, you take profit on a what? But look at this one, it did not reach your support. It came quickly. So you need to know not to be too greedy and be trading these areas, because market can take your money too quick. This is what we call consolidation level. When you see price moving in a between support and a resistance like that, that's why I told you that these are other things that will be happening, but we are focusing only today on support and resistance, not to make things complex. So when you see something happening there, you buy there, you take profit on a resistance. What am I saying? That how would you notice that price will reject there? Look at what is happening here, right? You look at the previous history. This is real, this is fake things which I'm drawing, but this is reality. So look at, you are now at the support. Look at what happened previously, right? So when you bought here and previously, you see that price is showing you something here. Let's come. Price previously, it reacted in that level. So when you do that, you draw your resistance, looking at the previous history. You look at what has happened previously. You will know around that area market will react. Look at what happened here. Market reacted. Why? It's based on what happened previously. So you just don't just say, okay, I'll buy them, market will move my direction. You were in favor here because market moved in your direction. If this resistance was quite strong, we'll look at other example where now it will be different. If now you are saying, let me hold, you need to know what you are doing. So if you are a resistance, support and resistance person, at a resistance, take your profit. Right? So this is support, this is resistance. So when you bought there, your target, it was this level. You take profit there. Because look at what happened. Candles here, they've been building up, building up. If this was now too strong, price would have easily come back and you would have lost a lot of money, which you should have taken profit of. Right? So you buy there, you take profit at your resistance. If you were selling, let's say, okay, look at what happened also here. Let me show you something. Oh, sorry. Let me show you another thing previously. You see what happened again here? Around this level. What is happening around this level? You see, look, if you bought here and you did not identify what happened previously, market might have decided to go against you if it has hit this level. If this level was strong, remember these things here you will not have seen before. It happens in coming hours. So you first, when you analyze as a support and resistance, identify where's your support, identify where's your resistance, identify what happened previously. So here, this was a floor previously because market came here, price went up. This was a resistance previously before we come here, right? So this was what? A support. Then you know, how would you identify? Okay, let's go, let's do it like this, and let's do it like this and try to hide like that before we go where we were, right? This, remember our measure support is this one based on a monthly candle. But remember, between small time frame, there will be supports and resistance, support and resistance happening there, right? So now, if let's say you took your trade here in a monthly candle, you were holding for months and months and months. Look at what happened. You bought, you were holding it. In a previous month, you were holding it. You did not take profit. You see, because what happened, it might have, this level here might be explained in previous history. Then you bought nicely, you were in profit, nicely. Oh my God, you were making millions and millions or whatever it is. And then you did not take your profit. Then it comes. Market has come back where you are. Look at what you have lost. So it's very important. When now you buy at the support, take profit at the resistance. Why there? Why market is doing this at this level on a monthly candlestick here? This is a resistance.